Let's make traditional Finnish liver casserole Maksalaatikko. Let's start by boiling water, 1 cup of water, 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 cup of short grain rice. Let's mix that. When the water has disappeared, let's start adding milk, little by little, 4 cups of milk. And in the meantime, we'll just chop an onion. This was a big onion, so if you have smaller ones, 2 is better. Then let's measure the liver. I have here about 12-13 ounces of liver. Pork liver this time. Usually I use beef liver. A little bit of butter to the porridge. We are making actually rice porridge here. And continuing to add the milk. This is full fat milk. It makes the best porridge. Make sure that the porridge doesn't burn. Then let's fry the onions. And when the porridge is ready, let's add the fried onion. And because I can't resist rice porridge, I took this much just to eat by myself. Then let's add spices. 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of white pepper, half a teaspoon of ginger, 1 teaspoon of marjoram, or you can use also oregano. And then, because I don't have Finnish sugar syrup, I'll use brown sugar, 4 tablespoons of brown sugar. It gives the same kind of taste to this food as the syrup. Then there are 2 schools. Do we add raisins or not? I do like raisins in this one. Then let's add 2 eggs. And of course, one thing is missing. The main star of the show, the liver. I chopped the liver with a hand mixer, and then, because it's not sold here chopped like in Finland, but it needs to be chopped well for this dish. Now we have kind of like a runny porridge here, and we can move it to a oven dish that has been buttered. Let's just add it all there, maybe some butter on top. This is not mandatory, but just a few for the taste's sake, and then to the oven it goes. Then 1 hour in 350 degrees Fahrenheit, that's about 175 Celsius. Oh, it looks so good. We just need one more thing, and that's lingonberry jam.